Hello and welcome! If you own a robot vacuum cleaner, you know you sometimes must replace brushes and other consumable elements that simply wear due to usage. Well, this kit will solve all your supply problems with Xiaomi G1 Essential. Ranging in price depending on what you buy, I got me a middle kit which includes 3 main brushes, 6 side brushes, 8 mops, 8 filters with the added bonus of cleaning tool and brush. I have been using my G1 for the past 6 months and look at the statistics of consumables usage. This kit will probably last me throughout robot lifetime. As always, the link is in the video description. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.